How to set a Windows password, easy step-by-step guide. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for your computer security, setting up a Windows password. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned tech pro, stick around because we've got you covered with this easy step-by-step guide. First things first, let's hop onto our Windows desktop and get started. Once you're logged in, let's head to the control panel. You can find it by typing control panel in the search bar or by accessing it through the start menu. Next, click on User Accounts. Then, select User Accounts again. Now, click on Manage Another Account. Here, you'll see a list of user accounts on your computer. Next, click on Create a Password. Now, you'll need to enter your new password. Make sure it's something secure and memorable. You can also add a password hint to help you remember it if you ever forget. After you've entered your password, click Create Password. And that's it. You've successfully set a password for your Windows account. Now, every time you log in, you'll need to enter this password for added security. Remember, it's crucial to choose a strong password and keep it safe. Don't share it with anyone you don't trust, and consider changing it regularly for maximum security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.